Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to learn how to design attractive Diwali wishes template in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file and get ready. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means hit the like button. Soon after reaching just 10 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to File, New and create a new canvas in Photoshop. If you're designing template for Instagram post means go with the size 1080 by 1080. Else if you're creating template for Instagram story or WhatsApp status means go with size 1080 by 1920. Keep the resolution as 150, color mode as RGB. Now create a template. Else go to the project file. There I have given you a template called Diwali. Open the PSD file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file, size is 1080 by 1920. You will find a neatly arranged layers panel. If you are a beginner means it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial, so you can use this template. Next we are going to drop in our background image. Go to the project file, open image 1 inside Photoshop. Yes, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize it like so. I'll settle with this one. Now place the image inside our background group, which is BG. Next we are going to create image placeholder shape, which is circle shape at the center here. For that, select the image group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, select white color. Now pick the ellipse tool, this one. Make sure fill is enabled, stroke is disabled. Now by holding shift key, create a perfect circle shape like so. There you go, we created our circle shape. In case you want to resize the shape means enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize it. Once you're done, it's time to drop in our image. Now go to the project file. Open the model image inside Photoshop. Of course you can use your image. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right above our image placeholder shape, this one. Now right click and clip mask the image. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize it. Fine, I'll select this one. Now if you look closely means our image looks completely flat. Let's take care of that. I'm going to add a drop shadow and stroke effect. For that, select the image placeholder layer, this one. Fine. Now right click, blending option. There, enable the drop shadow. Here we are going to add drop shadow effect. I'll keep the blending mode as normal. I'll keep the angle as 90. Distance as 8. Spread as 4. I'll change the size to 24. Of course, feel free to experiment with the number. Next, I'll increase the opacity. I'll keep it around 75. Fine, this is before and after. Looks much better. Let's add stroke effect. Now enable stroke. There I'm going to keep the size as 8. Position as inside. Now change the color. You can pick any color you want. I'm going to pick something like yellow, like this one. Now click OK. There you go. Now our effect is ready. This is before. Looks flat. This is after. Looks much better. Fine, next it's time to add our text content. Go to text group, create a layer. Go to color picker. Select white color. Pick the text tool, this one. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give a link in the description. You can download it if you want. Now type your Diwali wishes. I'll create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Edit the text. Adjust the position using your keyboard arrow keys. Next, I'm going to add another stock image at the bottom because it looks completely empty. Now go to the project file, open image 3 inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Place it inside background group. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize it. Fine. Next, as a final step, we're going to add a sparkles effect. For that, select the effects group. Now go to the project file, open image 6 inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Now here's the magic. Now change the image blending mode to screen. The black parts will disappear. We will get such kind of fireworks sparkles effect. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. I'll move it to left side and I'll place it here. Enable free transform to Ctrl T and resize it and give a little bit of rotation so that just to show a little variation like so. Now create another duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Move it up. You can place it wherever you want. You can create any number of copies. It's up to you. I'll create another one and place it there. In case if you want to add sparkles effect to your image means you can add like so. I'll add another one, Ctrl J. I'll place it here. Fine. Once you're done, there you go. Stunning, attractive Diwali Visuals template is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.